So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to backup your WhatsApp messages. So let's begin the video. So in the top right corner, you can see in three dots option. Click on that three dots option and go to settings. Here you can see an option of chats. Go to chats. Scroll a bit and here you can see an option of chat backup. Go to chat backup. And here choose your Google account you want to backup your chats. And after choosing your Google account, from here you can choose if you want to turn on automatic backups, like if you want to automatically backup daily basis. After that, here you can enable if you want to include videos in backup or not, and you can also enable backup using cellular. If you enable backup using cellular, then it will also backup with your mobile data, and if you keep it turned off, then it will only backup with Wi-Fi only. And after that, click on backup and your backup will be started. So that's how you can backup chats in WhatsApp. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.